a bike check. Pretty rusted up from the beach. Right there last week. We got a Haro 200.2 frame with Haro bars. It had a Haro sticker right there, but I took it off because it looked crappy. Stock stem. Got some Haro zebra forks. Go through there. Stock rim. Double wall stock rim. Got a Quandoro hub with stock forks. Kenda tires on front and back. Got a Quandoro hub, another stock rim. It's pretty nice. I like it. Listen to it. Sounds sexy. Got a ODI long neck grips.
Bar ends.
ODI bar ends. Stock tangler and a Tico brake. And I don't know what, I know they're Haro, but I don't know which version they are. Then I got some Haro pedals. Pretty sick. It's been pretty nice. That's my bike check. Yeah. Do that one more time.
There's some wheelies and stuff. Try to do a foot jump tail whip.
God, that's steep. Let me do that one again.
Do a foot jump tail whip. Try. Now.
Huh?
Do a foot jump tail whip. That wasn't a
Foot jump.
tail whip. Almost.